yes, they still kept this one original. Okay, this is the last other original public elevator aside from the entrance elevator here at IKEA in Paramus, New Jersey. It's just weird. The outside was replaced with Schindler, and this was replaced with these. So I wonder if this is an express elevator. Maybe they made this an express elevator. Maybe that's what they ended up doing with this one. So, and it's a 10,000 pound capacity. So it's this one in the entrance that they kept completely original. It takes a long time to go down. Here we're at P. Let's go back up to 2P. Here we go. Yeah, so this was the only exchanges and returns elevator that was still kept original. So you can see that they even still have the original blue, green, and red directories. So that's pretty much it. So take it down to P. And the video, yeah, this is the only other one. So. But I can see this one won't be getting used as much unless Schindler has plans to mod this one and the entrance one in the not so distant future. Yeah, they definitely turned this into an express elevator, you could tell. Because the other ones probably served the other one, but see, they planned smart here with these. Such a retarded door number. There it goes, and that's it.